Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get the list of all errors occurred in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as File Access Error View. Just search this application and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see the preview of this software. Just scroll down below. Now you will see a download option for different version like 32-bit or 64-bit. So if you're using a 32-bit operating system, then download this 32, and if you're using a 64-bit, then get this 64-bit. So right now I'm using a 64-bit, so I'm going to download this 64-bit. I'll wait for a few seconds. So finally the download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click this second file, which is the software, to open or run the software. Now you can see this kind of interface, right? So right now you can see here it's auto detecting the errors. So you can see here the errors. Right now you can see different errors and file folder location, so where it is located, as you can see here, different. So it's started to track each and every errors right now occurring in my respective Windows computer. So you can see different error codes. As you can see how many times this error has occurred. As you can see, it automatically detects how many times it occurred. You can see first error time, last error time, response time, process part, and you can see whether it's applications or a file. So you can see a different error codes also, and you can see on the left side all the file or program locations. So if you want to save this error list, then you can select all also if you wish, and you can just go to this file and you can save selected items, or you can save all items, whichever you like. So if you want to save all items, then whatever new errors has been shown up, it will also select it. So save all items. So it will save it as a .txt file, as you can see here by default, and you can get more options like HTML file, whatever you want to set. So I'll just select that txt file. I'll give a name error and select the folder location where you want to save this output file. So let me click on save. So I've exported this error file list. So you can see here complete error list which I have exported. So here you will get more clear details, the file name and the folder locations, and error codes also you can see. So this might be helpful if you are facing any errors on your respective Windows computer. Then you don't need to find again and again what are the errors that are being occurring on your respective Windows computer. By simply using this application, you can easily find out the list of all errors that has been occurring in your respective Windows computer. So in my opinion, it's a very useful software if you want to find the list of all errors occurring in your Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.